Nordin Haji was trying to put up a team together to craft lies and propaganda and attribute the chaos that were in the country to leaders, I included, former President Uhuru Kenyatta and others.
Ni MIARIO ĩrĩa ĩtũmĩte mũnini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ekore haceke ikundi na atongoria gĩithĩramu ikĩyumĩria na kũmũkĩrĩra kĩng'ang'a-inĩ.
We shall begin
Gikundi kia National Muslim Leaders Forum ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yao nĩgĩtũgĩrĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kwĩyumĩria gũtetia thirikari kumana na mũtaratara wa watho wa kĩgĩna ũrĩa President Muthia arateanĩirie ĩndĩ marauga atĩ nĩ maraujuga rĩtana rĩrĩ na mĩario ĩtabatie.
The intelligence network globally is one that is shrouded in secrecy. They are not supposed to declare what they do publicly. The deputy president is a member of the security team of the country. If the head of the intelligence service is not delivering, there is a structured constitutional system of removing him from the office.
Katika hiyo nafasi pengine amelenga kwamba anaweza kuweka mtu wake. Sisi tunakemea vikali sana. Tunakemea vikali huyu mtu anaitwa igii.
Namlef yokirira munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua uria marauga ni ahiuhire kwerekeria murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa UGACERU bururi-ini Nordin Haji miario ya kumukuruhania na kugonderera wira-ini wake wa kumenyithia thirikari ugwati uria wacokire gucungiria ikuo cia ayuthi cikaro-ini cia bunge ona kundu kungi gutiganite.
It is very clear, and the president has admitted, that these protests were caused by the anger of the people of Kenya and their refusal of Finance Bill 2024. I want to call on the National Intelligence Service not to take us back to the dark old days of the Nyayo era.
I think they have now been humbled to where they are. I think the time has come for the deputy president to humble himself, also to know that whatever seeds or that is trying to sow now of disunity, it is definitely going not to work.
Jifunzeni kusikiza sauti za wananchi, kwa sababu mwisho wa kwisha nyinyi munaongoza, ama sisi wote uongozi wetu ni kwa mwananchi.
Maya magithiaga na mbere muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Frederick Bikeri ni athiete igoti-ini akienda kamiti ya NCIC na kamiti ya kurua na ungumania EACC ithuthuria miario ya Rigathi iria augite ni ya kuhurithania ona ucogeri.
The deputy president sits at the National Security Council where the Director General Nordin Haji sits. This is a matter that was supposed to have been dealt with in that committee. The deputy president has failed on that.
Bikeri kugerera wakiri wake Danstan Omari augite gukuruhania Nordin Haji na ugonderu wira-ini wake ni kumuhaka ndoro we na wabici yake.
Everybody is aware that Nordin Haji was the director of public prosecution at the time the deputy president was arrested and was arraigned in court. The charge sheet was approved by Nordin Haji. 2, the charges again were withdrawn when Nordin Haji was still the director of public prosecution. So we read malice.
Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yake munini wa president akuruhanĩtie Haji na kwaga gwĩkĩrĩra wĩra ũrĩa aheirwo ona kũbuta maabitha mohĩgĩrĩre wĩra-inĩ hatarĩ itũmi njiganu na ningĩ akĩrĩkana ndakoragwo bũrũri-inĩ maita maingĩ ũguo arĩ kuga kwaya president ndamũkĩrire riboti cia ũgwati ũrĩa warĩ mbere mĩrũrũngano ĩrĩa ĩcũngĩrĩirie ikuo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.